This is the AI News Flash for May 8th noon UTC. First up, Akamai Technology stock surges 30% on a $1.8 billion AI cloud infrastructure deal, the largest contract in company history. According to SiliconANGLE, Stock Titan, and Guru Focus, a leading frontier model provider committed $1.8 billion over 7 years for cloud infrastructure services. Q1 revenue came in at $1.07 billion, up 6% year-over-year, with adjusted EPS of $1.61, exactly matching analyst estimates. Cloud infrastructure services revenue jumped 40% year-over-year to $95 million. Akamai raised full-year 2026 cloud infrastructure services growth guidance to at least 50% in constant currency. RBC Capital raised its price target on the stock. This follows the rise of independent AI cloud players, including CoreWeave, Nebius, Lambda Labs, and Iron. Frontier AI labs like Anthropic and OpenAI are racing to secure inference capacity, with hyperscalers committing $725 billion in 2026 capex. The neo-cloud layer is emerging as a critical battleground in AI infrastructure. Next, cloud monitoring SaaS leader Datadog tops $1 billion in quarterly revenue for the first time, with shares surging 29.3% on AI lab deals, a direct rebuttal to the SaaSpocalypse narrative. FX leaders StockStory and MarketBeat report Q1 revenue hit $1.01 billion, up 32.2% year-over-year, beating estimates of $959.6 million. Adjusted EPS of 60 cents crushed the 51-cent consensus. Datadog raised full-year 2026 revenue guidance midpoint to $4.32 billion from $4.08 billion, lifting growth from 19% to 26%. CEO Pamel revealed on the earnings call that Datadog signed deals with two of the world's biggest AI research teams for hyperscaler training workloads in their superintelligence labs. LLM observability spans tripled quarter-over-quarter, and Bits AI agent investigations more than doubled from December to March. Guggenheim raised its price target to $225. Amid the SaaSpocalypse debate sparked by ServiceNow, Datadog joins the ranks of SaaS firms successfully executing AI integration. The case shows infrastructure for OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google DeepMind Frontier Labs is exploding, and observability SaaS is leading enterprise AI native transition. Third, Japanese gaming giants Sony and Nintendo face serious blow from AI boom-driven memory price surge, Reuters reports. Behind explosive HBM4 and DRAM demand for AI data centers, contract memory prices keep climbing in triple digits. Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron, the three top memory suppliers, are concentrating production on AI data center customers, squeezing consumer supply. Nintendo Switch 2 and Sony PlayStation 5 next-gen units are seeing memory procurement costs spike, hitting margins hard. Memory industry analysts say sold-out conditions will persist through 2027. With HBM4 dedicated to Rubin GPUs, consumer DRAM allocations stay cut. Smartphone and PC markets already feel the AI memory crunch. Average selling prices hit record highs, and entry models below $100 are vanishing. Following automotive infotainment DRAM shortages, where GM and Ford absorbed over $1 billion in cost hikes, gaming consoles now face full impact. With hyperscalers spending $725 billion on capex in 2026, the AI memory supercycle is hitting consumer electronics across the industry, deepening structural disruption. Fourth, Meta and Google make full entry into the AI agent market. The agentic wars heat up. CNBC Tech download special reports. Meta is rolling out a standalone AI app with full agentic features, with CEO Zuckerberg placing it at the top of the product roadmap. Monthly active users top 100 million in growth is accelerating. Google is expanding Gemini agent capabilities for Uber DoorDash autonomous ordering, Target shopping automation, and agentic search, aiming to lead the consumer AI agent market. OpenAI expanded ChatGPT third-party integrations to 15 partners, evolving the platform into an in-chat multi-service digital assistant. Anthropic leads MCP protocol standardization through the Claude Code SDK, hitting $2.5 billion ARR in enterprise AI agents, differentiating with a developer-first strategy. Strategy lines among the four major players are now clear: Meta and Google for consumers, OpenAI and Anthropic for enterprise and developers.
Gartner forecasts the agentic AI market at $10 to $15 billion by end of 2026, reaching 30% of $450 billion in revenue by 2030. The AI app economy is undergoing fundamental transformation, and this is now the most critical battleground in the industry.
Fifth, scientists develop a breakthrough training method using the Battleship game to dramatically improve AI reasoning for scientific problem-solving, Scientific American reports. The research team built a Battleship simulation environment to measure LLM decision-making under uncertainty. AI agents probabilistically infer enemy ship positions in unknown waters and decide exploration strategy, reaching strategic levels rivaling human players. The work gamifies the scientific method, including hypothesis generation, experiment design, and observation integration, making AI evaluation and training feasible. Traditional LLM benchmarks focus on answering known problems, but real scientific research involves exploring unknowns and verifying hypotheses with limited information, making evaluation difficult. Battleship models sequential decision-making under incomplete information, providing a new tool for evaluating and training AI scientist systems with applications across drug discovery, materials science, physics, and climate science. This joins the AI research automation wave alongside Google DeepMind AI co-scientist, Sakana AI's AI scientist, and Shanghai Jiaotong University ASI Evolve. The result is expected to accelerate debates about AGI timelines and the redefinition of AI researcher roles, drawing significant industry attention. That's all for this AI news flash.